Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and I cannot wait to show you the November IPSY Boxycharm. Before we get into our IPSY Boxycharm for November, if you do like subscription unboxings, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button for my channel, hit that like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, let me tell you about the IPSY Boxycharm box. If you are not familiar with IPSY Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription box that's put out by IPSY. They have the IPSY Glam Bag, the Boxycharm, the Icon Box. They have a refreshment subscription, so lots of different choices for subscriptions on IPSY. This one is a $30 a month box. It should have 5 full-size products in it. You can do a boost on it for $15 a month, which gives you an additional product that should have at least a $40 value. I did do the boost for a few months and I did get some good products, but to me the value wasn't there for just the add-on. If it wasn't something that 100% was going to love and be able to enjoy myself, I didn't want to spend the extra money on it. And since the whole box for 5 full-size products is $30, it just didn't seem like the math didn't work to add one more product for $15, so I quit doing that. So this one should have 5 full-size products in it, and I'm going to show you. So in the box here, so here's the box. Oops, I do that every time. I always drop the paper out. Okay, so we get our little pamphlet. In the box we have a little piece of paper that's wrapped around it and our products. The pamphlet it says Boxycharm November 2024, glow off this winter. Very pretty. And it has some information for products. These may be the products that we have in our bag. It may just be things that IPSY is selling. And it has information on trends and fun stuff. So this is a fun informational brochure just to have in addition to the box, so fun tips in there. With your IPSY Boxycharm, you get to pick 2 products and the other 3 are picked by IPSY. I'm going to show you first what I picked. I love Biro products, and they had a Biro, and this is the Hydrangea Tea Intense Hydrating Serum, and this is a full size, and this is a 1 ounce. Biro products are great. They're fun. They're really pretty besides the fact. Look, first of all, the box, how gorgeous, right? The inside is pink. The bottle is this most beautiful blue. I'm going to hold it better so I don't drop it. But it's a glass bottle with a translucent blue, and it has the pipette top. And so this is a full size. I'm not sure if it has information for it. I don't think it's going to have our products in here. So what I'm going to do is I'll just post the values in the corner like I usually do. But this was one of my picks for the box, was the Biro. I just love, look at that lid. It's a little swirl of flowers with a bee in it. It is so pretty. They put so much attention to detail in their packaging, and I love a good packaging. My next product is from Violet Voss, and this is the Disco Drip eyeshadow palette. Let's check it out on the inside. It is a beautiful matte purple with a shiny Disco Drip lettering. It has a mirror, as you can see there, and these are the colors. Gorgeous, vibrant colors in neutral. So you could do a really subtle eye with this, and you can totally glam it up and have a really fun night out with some of these colors as well. If you're the kind of person that wants to do your bold colors for the whole day, this will get you. It's gorgeous. This is the Violet Voss again Disco Drip eyeshadow palette. This was my second pick. Our next one is from Ren, and this is a Radiant PHA Exfoliating Facial. So PHA is one of the acids that helps exfoliate your skin to give you a smoother texture in your skin. Ren is a great product. Again, all these products are full size. And this is going to be a squeezy tube. I have used a lot of Ren products and they are excellent. There's a under eye dark circle brightener cream that I don't use enough, but it's good. So this is going to be a exfoliating facial. Love that. Our next product that IPSY picked is an Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil, and this is in the color taupe. I don't think we got to pick shades. If we did, I would have picked this shade. I don't remember, because you don't usually, you do have a color profile for IPSY, which is probably, if they picked it, why. I'm trying to get it open. I just got this same pencil in a different color in the Allure box, which depending on which one of these I post first, you'll see one or the other first. But this is a beautiful eyebrow pencil. Oh! This is different than the first one. Okay, so the one I got in the Allure is the triangle one to really draw in your eyebrows thickly. This is the teeny tip, so you can literally draw the individual hairs of your eyebrow in if you need to do that. So I was thinking this was a super skinny pencil. I have gotten a small one of this from IPSY or somebody, but it's a very much skinnier pencil because it's a tiny little skinny pencil just for the drawing on your eyebrow. So it's different than the one that I got in the other box. I thought they were the same. So cool. Okay, so, and I do sometimes, I go back and forth. I have a pomade I use to just kind of paint them on. I have a pencil that I use today that kind of just draws it in and blends it in. I may find a use for this, especially kind of on the edges where they're thinner. That would be cool. So Anastasia Brow Pencil, and this is called the Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil. So this is the skinny brow, which is why it's a skinny little brow pencil. Very cool. I like that. I'm excited more than I thought I was for that one. Our next one is from Sonage, and this is Collagen Boosting Serum. And I'm not as familiar with Sonage brand, and I may not even be saying that right. And it says Bonjour Beautiful on the top. You can tell my French is really terrible. Bonjour Beautiful. We'll try that. So it has a, let me see what it looks like inside. Okay, so it is gonna have a pump top collagen boosting serum. So this would be for mature skin where your collagen is not what it used to be, like mine. So this is a great one for my age group and an excellent product again. So in this box, the two picks were the Biro and the Violet Voss. The IPSY picks were the Anastasia, the Sonage, and the Ren. I don't think that's upside down. But great products for this box. Again, $30 a month unless you do it for several months at a time. It gets a little cheaper for each month you get. I think I paid 25-ish for mine. I don't remember. I'll have to look. I might be paying 30. I really don't know. But you also get the little booklet. So again, IPSY Boxycharm, 5 full-size products. You're always guaranteed full-size products in the Boxycharm. Great box. Fun one for me. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.